Give me just 10 minutes and I'll improve your editing speed and quality by 10 times. And I'm gonna go rah with you guys right now. I'm gonna show you the reels that took me live edit with you guys, prove it right now under 30 minutes tops. So here's this one that I made a video on. Let me turn that down. This is the exact reel that I actually did a whole video on. You can see right now. This video is exactly 23 minutes. I'm teaching you guys how to do this, by the way. So if I actually did this by myself without teaching you guys, if I play this is the exact reel that we edit together. I would have got it done in less time than 20 minutes if I wasn't editing with you guys. So actually, if you wanna learn how I edited this exact reel, like I'm saying right now, you can go check out that video. I'll leave it up in the top, wherever that tag comes up, or I'll also leave it in the link in the description for you guys. And a really quick, here's another different type of style. Really good though. It's this Apple editing style that's absolutely viral, and I recommend hopping on it because a lot of people just want this and it's in high demand, but this is what it looks like. Again, this one took me, let's look. I did a full video on how you guys can do it too, editing it with you guys. This one took me 20 minutes again to show you guys how to do it with you guys. So I'm actually editing this video with you guys. And again, you can go find this video and learn this exact editing style. I'll leave it up again or in the link in the description for you guys. But this is just the editing systems that allow me to just edit super duper fast. And they're the systems I use and a bunch of creators that I've helped. So without further ado, let me show you my secret sauce. Okay, so the way I made both of those Instagram reels, all these animations you see on screen right now, is I used a preset. I didn't manually do it, I used the preset. Okay, so you can see right now that there's absolutely no animation on this whatsoever. You can see like it's kind of boring, there's nothing happening, and actually that one is gone. Because all we have to do now to make this animated super duper quickly is just highlight both of these, come over to any of these presets that I have. You guys can find them down in the link in the description. I totally recommend them. I use them every single day. I'm gonna be using the Captions FX presets. So all I have to do is just drag and drop it and then boom.
Easiest way.
Like perfect, just like that. And then if I want to, I can go into that exact same pack and then go and find that exact same shine effect. So you can just drag it, drop it, and then just customize it really duper quickly. It's easiest. How the fuck do you spell easiest? Let's just copy. Yeah, let's just do that. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm gonna move the shine effect just like to the left so we can see this E. I want this, like right there. So let's make this smaller a little bit. And then if I want to, I can grab any of these shine effects and just like play around with the width or like the shine intensity on either of these. But I think that's good. So I'm gonna leave it like that, pull it up so it just fits right here. Just like so. And then if I want to, I can also make this one, let's have it like up here to the left. So, and just a few clicks, and just like that, it's like, it's done. That's how easy it is to make these animations. Now, if you wanna follow along through this video, I got you guys. I actually included some free presets in the link in the description. So just go to that link, join my newsletter, and you'll get some free presets made by yours truly, me. So you know they're high quality. I use them every single day, so let's keep going. All right, so we need to make some presets. And I'm gonna make a preset with you guys and show you how to save it. So you can use it and drag and drop it just like I do. So we're just gonna make a basic appear up. And what that looks like is this, just this basic appear up. The way we're gonna do that is we're gonna search up transform. Now, the reason why we use transform is I'm gonna show you right now. I'm just gonna click mine, but you can search up transform in the effects tab, drag and drop it onto your layer. The reason why we use the transform is because when you come over the shutter angle, make sure to crank this all the way to 360. The higher you crank this, if you want to have maximum 360, the more motion blur you're gonna get when you're making the movement. It just makes the entire movement look super duper smooth, and that's what we're looking for. Because you want high quality edits, everyone wants high quality edits, and the secret sauce to that is making everything just smooth. So after we've done that, then let's just make that appear up. So a basic appear up is really simple to make. Let's just go to the first frame. So if you grab this playhead, move all the way to the left, click on the position, also click on the opacity, move like, let's say right here, and then we want to click again on both of these. We want to make this appear appear up. We need to drag this, the first position downwards. So just like so, like that. And then make sure this is at 0. And now when we play this, it kind of has that like, you know, it's not that great. So let me show you a little secret sauce. So if you left click and highlight all of these, you can actually highlight them. And then once you right click, hit ease in and also do it again and hit ease out. Now it's gonna look a little better, just like so. But to even make this even better is you click down here, and this is where the secret sauce of all these super smooth animations you find online come from, is this velocity. Now, if you just grab this right one, crank it all the way to the left, now it's gonna look really good. Like, that's, to me, I think that's pretty good. It's nice and snappy, it's smooth, and there you go. Now you need to save this as a preset so you can just drag and drop it. And then here's where, you know, the time saving in, you guys can just crush reels just like I do. And that is by simply coming up to the preset that we just made, right click and hit save preset. Now you can name it anything. So I'm just gonna like, sure, we'll name it that. And then you can see it pops up over here. Now, if I delete that, now there's nothing that happens to this, drag and drop that one, and then boom. There it is, just like so. And the funny thing is, I actually found something that's even better than these presets and will improve your editing quality and speed 10 times more than those presets. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All I have to do to make a hook is simply come over to these hook templates I have, drag and drop any of the ones I want to pick, and boom, these are automatically done, like you can see right now. Like this entire hook is done. That simple, that easy. So all I have to do for this system is come over to these hook templates that I have, pick out the one hook I want so I can just go through any of these and look at exactly what they want. This is what one of them looks like. This is another one of what it looks like. I actually really like this one. So all I have to do is go to the reel that I'm working on. So for example, this one, drag and drop it, align it with the first one, and then boom, my entire hook is done. There's already sound effects made, the zooms are already added, and all I have to do is align the words with what I'm saying, and boom, you get this exact hook. Now I use these hooks all the time, and not just me, but thousands of other creators do. And if you want these actually exact same hooks, those are in my All Pack Plus course, which gives you every single one of my packs with these, and also a course breaking down exactly how I create viral edit reels in just minutes instead of hours. And I'm not stuck at my desk all day anymore. So I'll actually leave that down in the first link in the description so you don't miss out. It's a huge game changer. And now let me show you exactly actually how I made these. They're gonna take a little bit more time, but trust me, it's absolutely worth it if you guys have time to actually make these yourself. If not, go and grab mine. They're totally worth it. So let me show you exactly how I made this. Let's say you guys just made like this kind of exact one, and you wanna save all of these so then you can just come over to here and just drag and drop it, and then it gives you all, it grabs everything like this. So once you have your own hook done, so for example, we're gonna imagine that we just made this hook. All you have to do is just highlight all these, make sure to highlight everything. So I'm actually just gonna go like this. Grab if you have sound effects, grab those two, highlight them, right click, hit make subsequence. And then once you did that, it's gonna make a subsequence. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna exit out of that. And now you should see it over in your tab over here. I should try to find it really quick, wherever it is. I have too much shit open right now, but here it is. All I have to do now is just come over here, drag and drop it, and boom. Now, actually, if you have this clicked over here, it actually won't give you these separate layers. It'll actually just do this instead. You can see that, and obviously you don't want that, so just make sure before you drag and drop it, just click over here, unclick that, and now you can drag and drop it, and then boom, your entire hook or whatever you made is done, and you just have to replace the words and you're good to go. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to edit like me and actually edit this reel up on screen right now, go click this video right over here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!